A SCADA system, which stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, is an essential technology used to monitor and control industrial processes. It plays a critical role in various sectors like manufacturing, energy, water management, and transportation. At its core, SCADA involves a combination of hardware and software. The hardware includes sensors, control devices, and computers that gather data from machinery and processes. The software allows operators to visualize this data, track processes in real time, and make informed decisions. Imagine a large factory with many machines. Each machine has sensors that collect data, such as temperature or speed. This information then goes to a central computer where operators can see everything happening in the factory at once. SCADA systems are used for different purposes. In the power industry, for example, they help monitor electricity distribution. They ensure that power flows smoothly through the grid and detect any issues that may arise, such as outages. In water management, a SCADA can oversee the pumping stations and water treatment facilities, ensuring that clean water reaches homes and businesses. Additionally, in manufacturing, SCADA systems help maintain production lines by tracking performance and minimizing downtime. Various organizations and industries utilize SCADA systems. Utilities such as water and electricity providers heavily rely on these systems to keep services efficient and reliable. Manufacturing plants use SCADA to optimize production, while transportation companies implement it to monitor and manage systems, such as traffic signals or railway crossings. Even oil and gas companies use SCADA to oversee drilling operations and pipeline transportation. The usefulness of SCADA systems cannot be overstated. First and foremost, they provide real-time monitoring. This means that operators can see what is happening in their processes at any moment. If something goes wrong, they can respond quickly, preventing minor issues from becoming major problems. Additionally, SCADA systems gather a vast amount of historical data, which can be analyzed to improve efficiencies and predict future performance. This capability leads to better planning, reduced operational costs, and increased safety. Without SCADA systems, many industries would face significant challenges. Processes would be less efficient, and operators would struggle to monitor complex systems in real time. The risk of accidents would increase because there would be no automated alerts for failures or abnormal conditions. It would also be much harder to analyze data for improving operations, leading to higher costs and wasted resources. In short, SCADA systems are vital for modern industries. They provide monitoring, control, and data analysis capabilities that help businesses operate safely and efficiently. Through SCADA, companies can ensure that they meet customer demands, maintain quality, and protect the environment. The reliance on SCADA technology reflects its importance in supporting not just businesses, but society as a whole.